each and every woman, they kept hearing only this same common statements like अच्छी बेटी बनो, अच्छी पत्नी बनो, अच्छी माँ बनो, and slowly without even realizing they forget कि who are they, कि ये लोग खुद कौन है. They always keep seeking others' approval. Like in my case also, in when I have not learned coaching and all, even I always seek approval of others. I always wanted love, appreciation, acceptance, and when I don't get all this, I always used to feel less about it. So the first step in changing this is awareness. You can just pause yourself and ask कि आप जो भी कर रहे हो खुद के लिए कर रहे हो या सिर्फ अप्रूवल पाने के लिए कर रहे हो. That one reflection will change everything in your life. And also small actions like taking extra time for rest, celebrating your own efforts, all this actions will remind you of your true worth, which was always there within you. Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah, I 100% agree. And I also feel that we women are givers, right? But we
Yes.
don't focus on the task which we have done it for others. Rather, we accept that people should appreciate us, people should say that you have done something so great, and so on and so forth. So yeah,
Yes.
I completely resonate that with you, and it's very very mean to understand this. Once you get that awareness, you get to know that what exactly you're looking out in your life, and that is so meaningful.
Yes,
Great.
you're right. Totally.
So moving to the next question, when someone has lived their entire life, like you said, a family, partner, or career, how do they begin their journey of rediscovering their true identity?
Yeah. So Anu, like what, when you lived your whole life for others, whether it's for family, your partner, or even your career, you tend to forget ki who are you. आप खुद कौन हो? I know the feeling of losing myself, juggling between roles and responsibilities. You always show up for everyone, but there is a kind of emptiness in you. In spite of doing everything for everyone, there's kind of emptiness. So rediscovering your true identity doesn't need a big leap. Small steps can help you bring there. So you can always ask yourself some simple questions like, what did I once love doing? What makes me feel alive? And then you can give yourself 10-15 minutes a day to do that without feeling guilty. And slowly, as you keep doing this and you keep listening to your heart, you will feel that spark coming back.